Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify foreign tax credit documentation with H&R Block. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all required foreign tax documentation. Ensure you have tax returns from the foreign country. Collect any pay stubs or wage statements that indicate taxes paid. Obtain documentation showing the amount of foreign taxes withheld. Next, visit the H&R Block website or find their nearest office. Log into your H&R Block account if you're using the online platform. Begin a new tax return or access an existing one. Locate the section dedicated to foreign tax credits. Upload your foreign tax documentation as prompted. H&R Block will guide you through entering the foreign tax information. Make sure to accurately input the details from your documentation. H&R Block may also ask questions about the type of income. Be ready to specify if the income was wages, dividends, or other sources. Review all entered information for accuracy. H&R Block will calculate your potential foreign tax credit. If applicable, the system will prompt you about any forms to file. Confirm whether you've claimed foreign income exclusion if relevant. Complete your tax return process as directed. Save and print copies of all documentation and your tax return. Maintain these records for your personal files and any future audits. Consider scheduling a follow-up appointment if you have further questions. Utilize H&R Block's resources for any additional assistance needed. Congratulations on verifying your foreign tax credit documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.